Alright guys, welcome back. Reggae Boyz fans, one thing that is glaringly obvious if you have watched the World Cup qualifiers is Jamaica constantly lets themselves down in defense or in the defensive third, especially in the last 10 minutes of a game. Jamaica Observer caught up with Paul Hall recently and he seemed to echo these statements. Tactically I thought we were there, but I think we just lack quality in the end, he stated bluntly. We've got to get better right across the park. We scored 2 goals away from home, which we shouldn't lose a game of football if you score 2 away from home. And you should be in a position where you should win. He again lamented the team's defending, citing balls played to the back post which were headed across the face of goal. I think we need to learn from those mistakes, and I don't think we can keep making those mistakes. It happened to us twice against Mexico, and it happened to us on Sunday against Panama. And I think we need to get better in those areas. So yeah, quality needed all over the park, but there were good performances and we can't ignore that, so we have to pay attention to that as well. The coach also highlighted new boy Kevin Stewart. I think you saw the quality of Kevin Stewart. I think you saw Ravel Morrison was willing to work and really run around, and you're not really going to see that often. So he really wanted to win, and I was happy with his attitude. I thought Pinnock looked the part, and I thought Marapa again was good. There were some good performances all over, so it's a shame because I wanted so much more for them. And they tried hard tonight, but it just didn't happen. Alright, so going into the Costa Rica game, safe to say the World Cup dream is over. The best that they can wish for now is to take the lessons learned from the experience and start the rebuilding process of the team. And there are a lot of older players in the team that are probably in their last World Cup cycle, and younger players should be given the opportunity to come through and show what they can do. Okay guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Remember, like and subscribe.